Hello, farm friends. So I'm coming on down into the barn here. Thought I'd give you a little video of the kitties. Everybody likes the kitty videos. That's Winnie and Mona. They are usually together. They're pretty bonded. We adopted them together. They were living together before we adopted them, and they're usually together. Mona's been seeming not too well. I think she has allergies. She has like a stuffy nose, and she makes a lot of sounds with that. So I think that's all it is. She might be allergic to the hay and the straw, which is kind of a shame because, I mean, that's where we store it. But they're doing pretty good. Every morning I feed them, and I have to come back down here and get the plates because I can't leave them. I don't want to draw any animals. And then I come back down in the evening to feed them. But I don't want to have any. We had raccoons come in a couple years ago, and the foxes are always hanging around, so I don't want that to happen. I do want to show you kind of where we are with our hay and straw currently. Getting a little low. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Look at you. You're so pretty. That's Rue. She's too much. We're getting a little low here on the hay. So probably like a month, I'm gonna have to order some. Straw's still looking pretty good. I might use some of the straw when I put down some wildflower seeds. It usually helps protect the little seeds from the birds. But yeah, we're gonna need to order soon. So just wanted to give you an update on the kitties.